Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the JLab Epic Air ANC True Wireless Earbuds. They have multiple levels of ANC, they have a wireless charging case, and they offer up to 48 plus hours of playtime with the charging case. So these are brand new. Give you some quick details on the back. What this has to offer, you can go ahead and pause the video anytime and take a read if you want. This comes with an app and a bunch of ear cover pieces. So here's the cloud ones, and they have multiple sizes, super small as well. Now we'll go inside the box. This is Bluetooth, true wireless earbuds. So here's the case itself. It comes with some quick documentation right here. And like I said, it comes with a free app, so you can download that for your iPhone or Android device. Here are all the earpieces. So you actually get quite a few more earpieces than the Apple AirPod Pros and Apple AirPod. So here it is. This is the case. It comes with an integrated charging cable, which we like. This is a signature of the JLab audio headphones. A lot of them come with the integrated charging cable. And then this part here means it's wireless. You can see the wireless symbol. So you set this down on a wireless charging plate and the earbuds inside and the case itself will start charging. And now for the actual earbuds themselves, they're held together inside with magnets. So it's quite a strong hold. So as you can see, they're slightly angled to fit in the ear better and to direct the audio and the music better. So you can see there's some microphone ports on the outside. That's for the active noise cancellation. And they have microphones as well for you to chat with on the phone, so it cancels noise there too. So this is the Epic Air ANC True Wireless Earbuds from JLab. And we like the leatherette flip case that also is wireless charging and has a flip out charging cord. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.